Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have trough digging in across the desert southwest with the system out there. We have one system that's slowly departing our area, but it's keeping a lot of our precipitation just to the south of the state. That could keep a few clouds across our southern counties of the state as well. Otherwise, some partly to mostly sunny skies throughout the rest of the state, with highs mainly in the 60s across the area, maybe a few degrees below what it should be this time of the year around the middle of May. That rain will move a little bit further south as high pressure moves in overhead. Temperatures will still be mainly in the middle to upper 60s across the state, with mainly sunny skies around. And that's going to continue to be the case as we move into Thursday. As high pressure slowly moves off to the east, winds begin to turn around to the south, so that may up our temperatures a degree or two, maybe approaching 70 or lower 70s in our western counties. And then by Friday, we may see temperatures a little bit higher, but then here comes some rain, so that's going to keep our temperatures lower. As clouds move in, rain comes in. It'll be similar to what we saw yesterday, with some clouds around and temperatures being held down due to the amount of clouds across our southern counties and even our northern counties as well yesterday. As that moves in by the weekend comes, sky clears, and the winds are coming out of the south, so that's going to warm us up. Temperatures into the 70s both on Saturday and on Sunday, with sunshine around, maybe a little bit breezier on Sunday, as a system is going to be approaching from the west, and that's going to be what's going to be the case for most of next week, is a system coming in, southerly winds. That's going to boost our temperatures up not only into the 70s, but into the 80s in some areas. This is also going to boost our dew points into the 60s and even possibly lower 70s. And this system is going to be coming in. There's going to be multiple little systems, one coming through around the Tuesday of next week, and then another system is going to be coming in, another feature swinging out of the Rockies and into the Midwest and Plain states here by the middle of next week. Timing these out is going to be very difficult. We have plenty of time to watch it, but any of these systems could bring possibly some severe weather. It's too early to speculate, because timing, strength of systems, and when they come through, still up in the air. But next week, it looks to be fairly active, at least as what the GFS says. It's something we're going to have to continue to monitor over the next couple of days, because this week, there's absolutely nothing happening. So we'll be looking at this quite clearly over the next couple of days. But in the meantime, it's going to be nice, and this weekend is going to be nice, so we'll keep watch on this. Satellite image from last evening. Very stormy across the central and especially southern plains. Showers and thunderstorms across the Texas and Oklahoma panhandle. Some cloudiness across the south and across quite a bit of the southern tier of the country, while the rest of the country was fairly calm and quiet. Watch warning map shows the severe weather complex moving through Oklahoma and the Texas panhandle. A little bit of snow activity across Colorado. Frost and freeze advisories across the Great Lakes into the Northeast. That's where it's quiet across the country. The QBF chart over the next 5 days, not as quiet. Some decent rainfall amounts across the southern part of the country. Very little around here, but we'll see a little bit more rain by the early part of next week as well.